Hey, it's Jess here with another tip to help simplify this beauty thing. So it doesn't have to take a ton of time or a ton of money to feel great in your own skin. Today's tip is a favorite with my clients, and it is simply this. When your products get low and you have banged them on the counter and you have squeezed and pressed and done everything you possibly can to get the product out, do not throw it away. Grab a pair of scissors, cut across the middle of the product, and look in awe at how much product will still be inside that tube and be like, how could I not get that out? It's just a thing. The products are moist and they cling to those bottles. And so before you throw anything away, cut it in half and over a few days, scrape out those insides and use them. And then the powerful part is if you cut it in the middle, you can stick it back together more easily than if you cut like the top off. So cut it in the middle, use the middle parts, stick it back together, and enjoy making your products last a good week or so longer than they would have. So that's my tip for today. Hope you have an awesome day.